Alright, gusto ko lang mag-share ng some practical advices that you might be using, no, or magamit nyo in the future, no? Especially for those who are taking lessons, no. So a lot of people kasi when they take lessons, parang okay na, nabigyan ako ng teacher ko ng assignment ko, tapos pag hindi nila nagawa yon, usually they cancel their lessons, no. Ayan to yung madalas na nangyayari, parang sasabihin sa teacher nila or sa prof nila, hindi po ako ready today. And this is actually counterintuitive sa gusto natin mangyari, no. So ito yung advice ko, no? Always show up. Okay, whatever the reason is, basta may lesson ka, try to find a way na ma-attendan mo lahat na sunod-sunod consecutive lessons, no. So if you have twice a week lessons, go, pasukan mo lagi. So kung once a week man, pasukan mo lang din. Kahit na may times na hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mong makuha or hindi mo na-hit yung goals mo within the week, pumasok ka ng lesson. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo na nga nakuha, magsiskip ka pa. So may disconnect doon, diba? Kasi hindi mo na maintindihan or hindi mo magawa, tapos ayaw mo pang magpatulong. So you always need help. That's why you have a teacher, diba? Yung teacher mo, kahit na sabihin mo papagalitan ka niyan kasi hindi mo na practice ng ayos, he or she will always find a way or another way or solution for your problems, no? So kung hindi ka makuha dito sa pyesa na to, sabihin mo na agad sa kanya, sir, I tried my best, hindi ko po pa rin maintindihan, maybe you can help me out, diba? Instead of, hindi pa po ako ready, no? Huwag nating pilitin na kayanin yung mga problema na hindi talaga natin kaya, diba? So that's why you have a teacher. They will guide you, they will help you out. Hindi ka nila pababayaan, hindi ka nila may mga, siguro may mga ganun talaga din ng mga teachers na parang yung accountability mo, syempre you have to be accountable with that. Kaya wag din kayong matakot, no? Show up to your lessons kasi masasayang yung oras at panahon. And for me, naging effective siya. Naging way ko yon para gumaling or mapabilis ko yung pagganda ng quality ng sound ko, pagganda ng tunog ko. Kasi pag hindi ko nakukuha, attend lang ako kahit na alam ko siguro bubungangaan ako nito, diba? Pasok lang mapasok kasi when you show up, it actually triggers your mind to this parang mindset na okay, I'm ready to accept whatever it is, no. Nakukuha ko kung ano yung kailangan ko from my teacher, and it shows that you're passionate about what you're doing as well. Kasi kaya ka pumasok kasi nga naguguluhan ka and you need to find answers. You're searching for answers, diba? Rather than, ang pangit kasi, diba, nasasabihin mo sa teacher mo na hindi ka prepared, where alam mo naman alam mo naman na may scheduled lessons ka. So always show up, always try to be on time, and kung kaya mo, diba, if you have good communication lines with your teacher, no, so kung hindi lang kayo sa sessions nag-uusap, you can message them or tell them kung ano na yung problema nyo para pagdating din nila ng lesson nyo, nakaset din yung expectations nila sa inyo. So I don't think, wala namang teacher na gusto yung mag-fail yung student nila, diba? So huwag kayong matakot, no? Kung ano man sabihin nila, tanggapin nyo kasi siguro may lapses ka din, may pagkukulang ka din, but we all go through that. And the easier you accept na wala talaga, hindi ko talaga nagawa, the better your mind opens up na okay, siguro hindi ko magawa, baka nasa kanya yung sagot. And most of the time that's what happens, diba? Hindi mo makuha, hindi mo maintindihan, pag pasok mo sa lesson, okay, ganun ito pala. Okay, so hindi gumana yung last week, baka yung this week may pagawa ulit sa akin. That's why you hire them. That's why you pay them so much, diba? Because they guide you through, they navigate you through a ton of information available online. And pinagsasama-sama nila yon to make it better for you to understand. Ayun yun ang role ng isang teacher. So if you are taking lessons and natatakot ka or napanghihinaan ka ng loob na baka ganito sabihin ng teacher ko, magalit sa akin, don't. Show up, be accountable, and just do your part, no? And don't be afraid to ask questions kasi gusto lang naman din ng teacher mo matuto ka. So follow for more. and I'll see you on the next one.